Hey guys, this is Manchester Marlowe. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to remove a Moen kitchen faucet with special tool needed, guys. That's right. Sorry to say you need a special tool. So if you go underneath your kitchen sink and you see this underneath this black cap, all you do is hand twist with your finger. And then with this special tool, you need this special tool because this nut right here is all the way up there and it's very tight. So what you basically do, you take this special tool and you just loosen it. You can use these holes to put like a screwdriver in to twist as well if you need more strength, guys. So very easy to do. I was able to do my kitchen faucet removal within like 20 to 30 minutes. I give some special tips through this disassembly video. And yeah, guys, I have faith in you guys. You guys can do it too. So don't forget as well that the most delicate part about this job is down in those pipes are real delicate. So I explain all that in the video. And I thought with my new kitchen faucet, this air gap cover was gonna come with it. So I found out that these don't come with the brand new kitchen faucet. So I'll put some good ones down below, some universal good ones, so you can purchase one as well. And also I got this special tool as well down there, very cheap for you to find. So let's get started with this video. Let's do it. All right, guys, I'm underneath my kitchen sink here. It's nice and clear. Make sure you move everything out of the way before you start working, obviously, so you have more room. But we have two shut-off valves, one for hot, one for cold. So here, off to the right, and then one here off to the left. So to turn off the water, I'm just gonna turn this. And one other key consideration, see how delicate this is? So when you get your wrench here, you need to hold your left hand and slowly turn this so you do not break the lines, okay guys? So that's one consideration, that if you're brand new to something like this, you do not want to break this, guys. So as you can see, I have a small wrench. It's nice and compact here. But when I'm turning this down for left for Lucy, I'm gonna be holding with my other hand stiff as possible to make sure I do not break this line. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That's it. All right, guys, so I have this weight and I was able to just unclip it very easily. And now I can pull the hose up. I'll show you right now. I'm just gonna pull it right through. Top right here. That's it, folks. That's the next step. All right, guys, so I'm right at the bottom of the faucet there, and to see that golden brass there, and then there's like that black piece right there. So I can just hand twist with my hand. But this is a Moen faucet, and right above that one there's another black nut, and you need a specialized tool. I'm gonna show you the specialized tool, and I'll direct you on how to get that if you don't have it. So I'm just gonna twist that off with my hand. I gotta really get up underneath there, so I can't film it, but I'm just gonna twist it off with my fingers. So I actually gotta get on my knees and get my hands in there. So you just twist it off just like this. My fingers, so I just released it just like that with my fingers, guys. All Alright guys, this is the specialized tool for Moen kitchen sinks. So as you can see, there's a little hole here, and there's a tight space up here, look. And I gotta get that, here, let me show you. See that little, right there, that little black nut on top of the brass there? So this tool is used to get up through the threads, right? And you turn lefty-loosey, but I'm gonna use this, I'm not just gonna use my strength from my hand, I'm gonna use this Allen wrench here. I'm gonna put it through this hole and help me twist. See that hole right there? And then I'm gonna use that to twist, guys. So I'll show you right now. All right, guys, so I have my specialized tool in my hand so I can reach. If you don't have a Moen kitchen faucet, what you can do is usually the bolts up there are much bigger, and if it's metal, more than likely you have rust, right? So you need to spray some type of rust removal. But thank God I have this Moen, so it didn't take much. So I'm just gonna use my fingers. Oops. Just gonna use my fingers now. It's all looser. It's that easy, guys. So make sure you have this tool if you have a Moen kitchen sink that you're releasing. Just keep on going. All right, let me see. You may want to have someone, once it gets loose, you got to have someone up on top hold the faucet tight so you can unloosen. But I need you to, all right guys, I was able to release it. So you just pull up just like that, and it's out, guys. It's out. Alright guys, so here's my new faucet here, and I'm gonna put it right through the hole. But first, before I put it in the hole, I gotta unloosen this and take this off, because we're gonna go under the sink and put this on. Does that make sense? I'm gonna unloosen this. And put it back through when this goes underneath the sink. So let me get this off. And what's labeled, see how these hoses are labeled: red for hot, blue for cold. And then we have our main line here. So I'm gonna take this off. Just like that. And then when you go underneath the sink, you tighten these little with the screwdriver, which is nice and easy. So I got everything in my hand here just like this, and I'm gonna put one hose in the hole, one at a time, so everything can fit down in the hole. So I went ahead and loosened this.